Bodymovin is a free extension that lets us export After Effects compositions as JSON files, so we can embed them in websites, add them to apps, or confuse unsuspecting email recipients.
Honey, who's Jason?
We're going to cover installing the Bodymovin extension, we'll verify our After Effects preferences, we'll render an animation, then we'll place it in an actual site. Let's start with installation. If you're into searching and navigating through a bunch of different pages, that's fine. We're looking for Bodymovin on the Adobe Exchange. We're also including a link in the description. Install the extension. If you have any problems, there's some troubleshooting tips on the top of Adobe's page here. That's part 1. Let's move into part 2. Open up After Effects and check to make sure Bodymovin is listed under Window, Extensions. If you don't see it there, you might want to try quitting After Effects and starting it back up. Or if you're like us and have a bunch of different Creative Cloud subscriptions, check to make sure you're logged into the right one when you add the extension. But one of the most common issues people have when using Bodymovin is regarding file permissions. Let's check out After Effects, Preferences. On Windows, this is Edit Preferences. And we'll look under Scripting and Expressions. Now, Adobe might change the location of this setting. It used to be under General, but what we're looking for is allow scripts to write files and access network. We want to make sure that's checked. And now we can move on to other things. That's part 2. Part 3, let's export a composition using Bodymovin. What we see here is a simple animation. To export it or render this into a Lottie compatible JSON file, we're going to do exactly what we did before. Window, Extensions, Bodymovin. A couple things here. First, you want to select this and any other compositions that you want to render. And you can check out the settings to go into more detail. An important note here, if you have JPEG content or PNG content, if you have any rasterized images in your composition, you'll probably want to use compression. And you can include those files in the JSON itself. We're not going to do that since this animation has none of those things, but it's definitely worth noting. Finally, check your destination folder. This is also where you can name the JSON file that's about to export. And when everything's ready, press Render. The file renders, and if everything went OK, you should have a JSON file sitting in the destination folder. And that leads us to our last step, placing it in an actual site. Now, we'll use Webflow for this, but the concept's the same if you're hand coding this or using another platform, and we'll drag the animation into our custom layout. And that's it. If we publish or export our site, or if we preview, it's there. The animation plays automatically. That's it. Now, we cover a bunch of other use cases which tie After Effects and Lottie animations to different interactions based on click or scroll or mouse move. All of that's free, so check those out on Webflow University if you haven't already. Also, check out Airbnb's Lottie site. Their documentation includes a list of currently supported After Effects features. This is helpful when you're planning a new composition. But that's an overview of the Bodymovin extension for Adobe After Effects.